Today I'm going to show you how to make these fantastic honey garlic chicken skewers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. These honey garlic chicken skewers are tender pieces of marinated chicken cooked on the barbecue or griddle, and it gives them a delicious smoky sweet flavour. We're going to start by making the marinade. In a bowl, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Then we add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix everything together. Pour 3/4 of the marinade over 2 chicken breasts that have been chopped into bite-sized chunks and reserve the remaining marinade for later. Cover and place in the fridge for an hour or up to a day. Now the chicken's been marinating for a while, we're going to make up the chicken skewers. Pro tip here, if you're using wooden skewers, be sure to soak them for an hour or 2 before using so they don't burn during cooking. And then we're simply going to thread the chicken onto the skewers along with some peppers and onions and then place them on the griddle. Be sure to discard any of the marinade that the chicken's been sat in. You can replace with other veggies or mushrooms if you prefer. Okay, that's done. I'm going to cook mine on the griddle, but they also taste fantastic cooked on the barbecue. Place the skewers on the griddle or barbecue and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until cooked through and no longer pink in the middle. Turn 3 to 4 times during cooking. About halfway through cooking, you want to brush them with that reserved marinade from earlier on. Once they're cooked, sprinkle with some sesame seeds and fresh coriander or cilantro, and then you're ready to serve. There you go, that's how you make delicious honey garlic chicken skewers. Juicy chicken, perfect summer food. Really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.